Master Square on the mix.
Badu! We are all one Liberia. Togetherness will make us to achieve it. So let us pop out the beats, stay aside. Jumping and feeling Latin all star. You get my back, I get your back. So let's come together and unite. Mama Liberia is all that we have. Yo, let's come together, celebrate. Me, my people, celebrate. Lofa people, celebrate. Grandchildren people, celebrate. Maryland people, celebrate. Liberian people, yeah, let's celebrate. Celebration time, yeah, let's celebrate. Our change don't come, yeah, let's celebrate. What we been praying for, it not happen for us. Liberian people, yeah, let's celebrate. Celebration time, yeah, let's celebrate. Our change don't come, yeah, let's celebrate. What we been praying for, it not happen for us.
See, we've been suffering so long, we not got to our end. Rescue, do it, let us see it. Baka, do it, let us see it. No more segregation, we coming to elevation. So congratulations to my president in the nation. Mama Liberia, stand. Oh Liberia, stand. Sweet Liberia, stand.
God fresh, big man, be stand up. Everybody move, let me see your hands up. We came a long way, so now we can't stop. True for life, now just a back on top. He came to show love now to the people. Mr. President, LIB, we need a good thing. I down on my knees, cause we need your impulse. Check my people, you can see the beauty. From grass to grace, now just a walk on your grades. That's celebrate and jubilate, no time to separate.
Now what we stand for,
Big Mike,
we cannot give up. Now what we stand for, my Liberian people. Now what we stand for, we cannot give up. Liberian people, yeah, let's celebrate. Celebration time, yeah, let's celebrate. Our change don't come, yeah, let's celebrate. What we been praying for, it not happen for us. My Liberian people, yeah, let's celebrate. Celebration time, yeah, let's celebrate. Our change don't come, yeah, let's celebrate. What we been praying for, it not happen for us.
let's go. Jovi,
Sweet Liberia, Mama Liberia, I love my country, yeah, I love my area. We got grace, oh yes, we got power, oh yes, we got power, oh yes, super power.
Liberian people, yeah, let's celebrate. Celebration time, yeah, let's celebrate. Our change don't come, yeah, let's celebrate. What we been praying for, it not happen for us. My Liberian people, yeah, let's celebrate. Celebration time, yeah, let's celebrate. Our change don't come, yeah, let's celebrate. What we been praying for, it not happen for us.
To our president, Joseph Yuma Bwaka, we say congrats. To our vice president, Jeremiah Bankun, we say congrats. Says Maureen, we say congrats. Says Laura, we say congrats. Amos Bwaka,